Guys, it's Gib on the go. Today we're going to be looking for bugs. Come on. Explore. First, we're going to check under some rocks. So here we go.
Wait, what about our pot?
If you really like this channel, please subscribe. And that's all. Oops. That's one bug. That flew right in my face. Whatever that was, a flying frog.
Dragonfly.
A flying frog. A flying frog. Okay. Alright, first we're going to check under this rock. Nothing. Oh, that was a huge moth. Let's see what's in this.
There's a little bit of rain.
You got nothing.
Yes.
Nothing, no, so this is dirt. Okay. Now, guys,
What if we go around the side of the house?
check around the side of the house. Yep.
Ooh, we got a mow.
Oh, yeah.
Now we did have a bunch of baby frogs, but they may have all been gone now.
We got jumping insects.
That's a jumping bug.
Too slow.
You're fast.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, there's two.
Ooh, that's another baby frog.
Oh, nice.
And we lost a baby frog.
Never mind.
That happens sometimes. Hey, you guys, let's go look at the spider web. There might be a spider in there. Whoa, there's two spiders. Come on, everybody. Look, one, two.
There's a frog right there.
That's a big one.
Whoa, guys, look at one dragonfly.
That's the one that called a dragonfly.
Look,
Everybody.
film this, bro. Film this. I don't know what's actually stopping that. Well, guys, let's move down to the basement. Oh, we gotta go back. Guys. Oh. We ain't got nothing over there anyways. We got a whole bunch of bananas. They only have a banana version. Once again, please subscribe.
Wait, is it done? Wait. Hey, everybody. Well, I think I found a stick to get our frogs.
So guys, today we're gonna go back in the basement. Why?
Don't have a key.
Yeah, we do.
There's no bugs in the basement.
Yeah, there might be.
There better not be bugs in the basement.
Like house things. Yeah. I see one of those. Let's go check. Oh, yeah. Okay, you need the light. Light. Is this light? What is it? Ooh. Okay.
I don't think.
You're not gonna find any bugs down here.
Never mind. Okay, my dad's right, I think. There might have been some spiders, like cobwebs or something.
Put the key back.
Okay, I think we should check under some rocks.
just too hot. With it being 95 here, it'd be a little warm for bugs to be underneath just sitting in the rocks.
Yeah, there's a little hole in it. I was about to be on the other side. Oh.
Cool.
Yeah, we found like a big toad, remember?
If you already subscribed to the channel and you're not new, please subscribe again. And if you're new, well, enjoy and just keep watching the video. And we might get some bugs along the way.
All right, that's going to wrap up our first video. Say everybody bye.
Well, bye. We'll see y'all later on the next video of Gib on the go. Bye.